Okay, since we are on common fraction and we are adding the common fractions, okay? Let's say I'm adding two fractions. Let's say I have 7 over 2 plus 3 over 4. Then I'm looking to add these two, but now the denominators are not the same. How do I make these denominators the same? Because I cannot add them unless the denominators are the same, okay? So I check. Okay, how many 2's do I have here? It's only 1. How many 2's do I have here? There are only 2. That means on this one, I'm going to multiply by 2 over 2 because I found that there are 2 here, there are only 1 here, okay? Now let's multiply. 2 multiplied by 7 will give us a what? A 14, okay? Then 2 multiplied by 2 will give us a what? A 4. Then plus. Then here we are having 3 over 4, okay? Now, since it's like this, now the denominator is the same. That means I'm going to take one denominator and add the numerators. That means it will be 14 plus 3, it's all over what? 4. What is 14 plus 3? It will give us a what? A 17 over 4. That is our final answer.